Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to operate CyclesMarket, and we're going to use it to top up a miner on Bob.fun as an example. Mining on Bob.fun has surged in popularity recently, so we felt that this video would be useful to a lot of you. This process, when compared to the typical built-in mechanism on the Bob website, is much quicker and it's more cost-effective. As you probably know already, ICLight is a hub for a wide variety of DeFi products, and it gives you access to some cutting-edge and useful tools. CyclesMarket is one of many in this regard, and utilizing it for something like Bob.fun is a good example of how you can take advantage and save yourself some time and money. Bob.fun has a built-in mechanism for topping up cycles, but the rate of ICP to cycles and the efficiency of using this feature is less than ideal for anybody trying to set up a lot of miners in the fastest and most cost-effective way. So, to do this from ICLight, all you need to do is connect your wallet in the top right here, and you'll want to make sure that this wallet has some ICP for you to purchase the cycles with. Then we're going to navigate over to this CyclesMarket tab and select the swap option. On this page, the interface is pretty self-explanatory, but we're going to focus on the bottom swap section here. On the left side, we just need to click this drop-down menu, and we'll want to select this other option. Now, in this window, we're going to enter the ID of our Bob mining canister. And to get that, we just need to head over to the Bob mining page and copy this address under canister ID displaying on the left here. This will be the specific canister we top up, so if you have multiple miners, you're going to need to do this for each one individually. Now that we've done that, we're able to just input the amount of cycles we want to top up with and click this swap option. Once the swap is successful, it'll take a few minutes to reflect on the Bob website due to the subnet Bob is running on being a bit bogged down. But after a few minutes, we should see the cycles update to reflect. And as we can see here, it's now reflecting our new cycles, and just like that, we're good to go. No more waiting for small top-ups over and over again, and we're getting a much better swap rate. Hopefully this video helps some of you guys, and please let us know if you encounter any issues or have any questions. And as always, thank you for watching.